Welcome to episode 1 of Jonah. In these next 8 episodes, we will be following the reluctant prophet as he disobeys God, gets swallowed by a giant fish, and ends up on the shores of Nineveh. Make sure to check out our free lesson guides available below in the description. Here we go!
Watch out!
Welcome to Sown in the Heart. Today's reading is adapted from Jonah chapter 1, verses 1 through 3, titled Jonah Flees. Read by Elise, age 12. Now let's open our hearts and let the word take root together. One day, the word of the Lord came to Jonah, son of Amittai. The Lord said, "Get up, go to the great city of Nineveh. I am sending you there to preach against it because of the evil of its people." Jonah did get up, but not to go to Nineveh. He got up to flee. Jonah headed toward the city of Tarshish, known as a center of import and trade. Jonah did this to try and escape the presence of the Lord.
Watch out!
First, he went to the nearby port city of Joppa, where he found a ship heading toward Tarshish. Jonah bought a ticket and rushed onto the ship. He went down and waited to set off with the crew for Tarshish, which was the opposite direction of Nineveh. This story shows that even when God gives clear direction, people may still feel fear and doubt. Jonah didn't flee from God because he was afraid of God. He fled because he was afraid of what God was asking him to do. The task felt overwhelming and uncomfortable. Nineveh was a huge city, known for its wealth, power, and reputation for wickedness. The people there had done many bad things, and Jonah might have worried about how they would respond to the message he delivered, or whether he could make any sort of difference there. As Jonah will soon learn, we cannot escape God's calling. Running away does not stop his plans. It only makes the journey harder than it needs to be, while obedience leads to the purpose and blessing he intends. This episode was adapted from Jonah chapter 1, verses 1 through 3.
Parents and teachers, thank you so much for viewing our content. Don't forget to check out our free lesson guides in the link in the description. They offer some very thoughtful questions as well as activities for your students. And please feel free to also leave us a comment, share about your experience and what was helpful for you. See you in the next episode.